A cable burial risk assessment, or CBRA, is an exercise which looks to define how deep you should bury a subsea cable in order to protect it from shipping and fishing risks. A plethora of information is required to undertake a CBRA, such as geotechnical surveys, geophysical surveys, as well as information on anthropogenic considerations. The next step of a CBRA is to assess seabed conditions. This utilises geotechnical and geophysical data to derive soil profiles and corresponding soil zones across the site. As part of a CBRA, we develop a risk register. This is a list of risks presented to the cable, both natural and anthropogenic. Another important step of a CBRA is the shipping analysis. This uses automatic identification system data from vessels to understand the size and type of vessel that may transit the site. This is important as it allows us to understand the maximum anchor size a vessel may carry through the site, and therefore how deep an anchor might penetrate the soil. Another major component of the CBRA is the probabilistic risk analysis. This aims to understand the probability of an anchor striking the cable on the site. It's undertaken for the zones defined in the seabed assessment phase of the project. The ultimate aim of the CBRA is to define a recommended depth of lowering. The depth of lowering will be defined by the size of anchors present, how deep they penetrate, mobile sediments, and the depth of interaction of fishing equipment used on site. Where the depth of lowering is not practically or economically achievable, the route will be modified, and where the route cannot be modified, other means of protection will be employed.